Hi guys, welcome
or welcome back to our channel
Unicorn Diaries. I am Anju
and I'm Ganthali. So guys, today we have come up with a very
informative video for you all.
So we are doing this video that is our top 10 products. Top 10 as in
5 each.
we took mostly the skincare products.
Yeah. So we are using these products from a while and we love these products.
Yes.
And also this video is not sponsored. We love these products and these work best for our skin. So
We thought we would just share with you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started.
Okay, so the first product is from Good Vibes. This is the activated charcoal deep cleansing face wash. So I will give you a short summary for this. Charcoal evacuates excessive oil and purifies our skin, and also charcoal helps in opening the pores and also cleanses our pores from deep inside, and also wipes out the dirt and impurities that are caused due to heavy pollution.
Yes.
So I have seen a huge difference because as you can see I have just started using this, but यहाँ पे एक पिंपल आ रहा था. You can see it.
Yeah,
I think the
she already told
camera,
me
the camera will not capture it, but वो बैठ गया है अभी. मतलब I used it for only 2-3 days now and I can already see the results. So yeah, it is a thumbs up.
Yeah, so guys, moving on to me. Also start with the face wash. Also guys, I have two face washes. The first is from Good Vibes and it's the tea tree face wash. So first thing I'll just tell you that I come from a very oily skin background. Yeah, but problem with my skin is very sensitive. In Good Vibes there are many options to choose from actually, and we'll just give you the price of it. So it is said that tea tree is good for your skin and for pimples. It prevents pimples. So let's see what does this product says. So it is a tea tree gentle cleansing face wash. It is a gentle cleansing face wash and which helps to remove the excessive oil and also dirt and impurities. I think these two face washes characteristics are pretty simple.
Yeah.
But
actually I did this video in that she uses Mama Earth's ka charcoal face wash, but it is bit on the expensive side, so that's why I bought this, and it's pretty well.
Yeah, and I think the charcoal one is for to remove excessive dirt and oil, and I think this is for more acne prone skin. So I have been using this like 1 week or 1.5 weeks. I chose this product because earlier I used to use the VLCC wala, and it works pretty good and it's pretty similar to VLCC one. If you don't want to purchase this as 270, but Purple always has some same.
Okay, so this is the Mama Earth Cocoa face wash. You have seen it already in our vlogs as well. We have used it many times and it is almost half now. So Mama Earth is derived from natural ingredients, and cocoa is an effective way to detox your skin, and also the smell of this is
Divine.
Cocoa and coffee infused face mask. It treats UV damage and unclog pores, allowing the skin to breathe and glow. So as you guys know that I have been using this face mask for a while now, and I would like to say that this gives me a natural glow, and also it even out my skin, and it also moisturizes my skin, and it feels baby soft. So yeah.
So my second product is, as I said earlier, that I have two face washes. Now this face wash is from Derma Cleanse, and I to know this face wash from Mansi's video, that is Mansi Mau. If you want, I'll link her. Will link her channel
in the description
below. So this is for oily skin. Like Derma Cleanse is a brand that it is made by the dermats, so and also they have mentioned the ingredients into perfect percentage. This face wash is not really a face wash but also a face wash. I know it doesn't make sense now, but let me just elaborate this to you guys. So this face wash is for pimples, and it is meant to dry out your pimples, and I have been using this face wash for a month now and it has worked wonders. Like I can't say that there are no pimples anymore, but if I get any bump or any pimple, it helps to dry out. And having said that, you are supposed to apply this on your pimples only and have to wait for 5 minutes and then you have to cleanse it. So yeah, this has worked wonders for me, and I'm not going to stop using this. And actually this I don't use this two face wash together. I segregate them in morning or night. So yeah.
Okay, so this product is also from Mama Earth. This is the vitamin C sleeping face mask. It contains vitamin C and aloe vera gel. So as mentioned, this is for skin illumination. So इसने मुझे इतना कुछ अच्छा इफेक्ट नहीं दिया है, बट फ्रॉम अ बिजी स्केड्यूल व्हेन वी गो टू स्लीप this gives a cooling effect as it contains aloe vera gel and it soothes our skin and gives that cooling effect. So you need it while sleeping, right? कि कुछ relax करे अपने skin
Yeah, and it is also said that कि night में our skin repairs.
Yeah.
Do apply it at night. Don't.
Yeah, and also it contains vitamin C. So vitamin C is also good for your skin.
So now my third product is from Good Vibes again, and it's the Neem and Tulsi gel. So guys, to be honest, I have used every sort of aloe vera gel, and I don't know what's wrong with my skin. No aloe vera gel works with my skin. Like I have tried the Patanjali one, the Boro Plus, that haldi wala.
Yeah.
So what it does is whenever I apply the aloe vera gel, it doesn't get soaked into my skin. I don't know what's wrong, and also I feel some tingling effect. I don't know if that's
Yeah,
normal.
because you have the sensitive skin.
Yeah,
na?
I think it's
That's
because
why,
of that. So this is the gel. I have started using it from a week or so, and so as she said that she uses that sleeping mask, I also use this as a sleeping mask. I apply it while sleeping, and Neem and Tulsi is again good for your skin and pimples, and it prevents pimples also. Said the blend of Neem and Tulsi, this face gel helps to get rid of acne scars and pimples. With regular use, it fades blemishes to give your skin a healthy glow. So glow ka to I can say that whenever I wake up, it's like I have the supple skin. So it works. It has worked for me, and I would again buy this, no doubt. So yeah.
Okay, so now for the fourth product, I have gel actually. Okay, so you must have seen in the advertisement, but I saw this that Perkin is recommended this, and this is my second tube, and I can see the difference because जब भी मैं ये लगा के रात को सोती हूँ, in the next morning the pimple I get is suppressed. But if in case ये एक दिन में effect नहीं दिखाएगा, but if you use it regularly, it will also fade away your scars, and it also reduces the scars and prevent more pimple from coming, and also it prevents acne. And guys, I would like to say that no product works in one night, so you have to give your skin and also the product some time to show it on your skin and also to see the results.
Yeah.
This product retails for only 80 rupees, and it is also cheap, so I would suggest you to buy this and try this. Okay, so I'm using this gel from past one and a half years, so it works wonders.
So moving on, I have my favorite mask also, if you can already tell it. It is a C3 face mask, and this is my ultimate favorite face mask from all.
Even I have used that.
So also I have used this as a patch for my pimples. I apply it regularly, but not on my whole face. So what I do is, as it is charcoal, and she has already given much more information about the charcoal, so of course it's great for your skin. So I just use it sometimes if I'm getting a pimple or it's about to arise. So what I do is I just apply it on my marks and dot it wherever I am supposed to get pimples. So what it does, it suppresses and calms down your pimples, and I think and the pimples doesn't come out harshly. So yeah.
So guys, from all the products, I would recommend this product to buy, and also guys, it would work for you, so please give it a try.
Okay, so the last product from my side is the Badi Herbal. So this is an eye cream, an under eye cream, which contains almond oil and cucumber extract. So as it is mentioned, lightens dark skin under the eyes, prevents and fades fine lines and wrinkles, reduces puffiness, nourishes and moisturizes delicate skin. So now this doesn't lightens or anything my skin, but it reduces my puffiness when I wake up early in the morning. And also it is said that you should invest in a eye cream, so that you don't want that wrinkle fine lines. So yeah, this works for that. As it contains almond oil, it also nourishes your skin, that I can feel, but as it is said that it lightens, मतलब dark circles के लिए it won't work.
Yeah, because I can also say I have the same term, but it is said that it is important to apply eye cream if it works or if it not, because our eyes is the most sensitive part on our face, and also it dries faster. So investing or getting an eye cream is a yay, so don't skip that in your skincare.
But the eye creams that are from the different brands, it is very costly. I would suggest you to buy this one.
And also guys, the link of all these products will be in the description box below, so do check out our description box. My last product from this haul or sort of video,
And also It is from Good Vibes.
Again. So I swear guys, this is the last product I own from Good Vibes. So this is a body lotion.
As you can see, this is a lavender body lotion.
Yeah. More of to get this body lotion, I got this because it is in lavender.
I know that.
Yeah. So also guys, it smells like lavender only. It smells pretty good. So as it's winter and it is kind of cold in Mumbai here, so we are getting on dry side. So I think this is a good body lotion for the price. I could say as the smell doesn't last, but I could say that the main work of the body lotion is to moisturize the skin, and that it works perfectly because I have seen I apply this after coming out of the shower and it gives me the baby soft skin ever. So yeah guys, I would recommend you this, and the consistency of this, as you can see it already, it's like a mousse and it's very soft, and also some people don't like a fragrant body lotion, so it has supple smell also. So yes.
So guys, this was all it for this video. So guys, we hope you found this helpful. So if you do like, share and subscribe to our channel Unicorn Diaries, and also don't forget to turn on the bell notification so you will get notified every time we upload a new video. And also guys, do check out our Instagram. The link will be in the description box below. And also guys, many of you don't know when we post our new YouTube video. So we post it on Wednesday and Saturday. Yeah, mostly on Wednesdays we post informative videos or sort of personal vlogs, and on Saturday we post fun challenges and some funny videos like pranks and all. Yeah, and also guys, many of us are watching our videos and not subscribing. Guys, please do subscribe. Do click on the red subscribe button below. It's free of cost. So guys, do subscribe. But it would mean a lot to us. Yes. And also don't forget to turn that black thumb blue. Yes. So until then, stay humble, work hard, and be kind. Bye guys. It contains almond oil and cucumber. Good sir.